Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to master the Microsoft Security Dashboard for AI. Now, before that, I have 3 questions for you. These are: what AI assets exist? Okay. And what is their posture? And where do we take action? Now, if you are a security leader or a DevOps engineer, you are probably deploying AI models and agents at a staggering pace now. But ask yourself these 3 critical questions. Which AI assets actually exist in the corporate environment right now? What is their current security posture? And exactly where must we take action to fix them? Now, if you can't answer all these instantly, you are exposed. Today, we are whiteboarding Microsoft brand new control plane, which is the security dashboard for AI. Grab your notebook because we are breaking down how this single panel brings together Entra, Purview, and Defender to protect your entire AI ecosystem. We'll start with section 1, which is the AI architecture inventory. The AI Okay, I have an AI inventory hub. Okay. In here, I have AI agents. Okay, which is Copilot Studio, Agent 365. Okay. And here I have my AI models. Okay. Foundational or my custom LLMs. In here I have apps and servers, which is Google Gemini or your OpenAI or MCP servers. Let's start with page 1 of the dashboard, which is your AI inventory. You can't secure what you can't see. Microsoft has built native sensors that map out your landscape across 3 clear columns. First, you have AI agents. These are the software entities running via Microsoft Agent 365 or Copilot Studio, executing tasks on behalf of your user. Second, it inventories AI models discovered by Microsoft Defender. This includes core foundational models running in your cloud infrastructure. And third, it maps third-party apps and MCP servers. Yes, it flags if your users are leaking tokens into Google Gemini, OpenAI, ChatGPT, or custom model context protocol servers. It maps them all into one clean registry. I'll just log on to the portal and show you that. You log on to the portal, which is ai.security.microsoft.com. And if you see the overview, all right, it's logging me again. Security dashboard for AI. Discover and assess end-to-end risk across your organization's entire data estate for AI apps and agents. This is a lab environment, so you won't see much agents, models, or applications on servers here, but this is how it would look. This is the recommendation for AI apps and agents. Prevent agent sprawl and unauthorized access. Investigate risky agents with Entra ID protection. Entra ID protection helps you automatically detect and respond to identity-based risk on agents that use Microsoft Entra Agent ID platforms. These are the steps to assign it. Now it talks about enable the Entra conditional access for agents. Here, what I told you before about data leaks and oversharing, how you can enable Microsoft Purview Audit, turn on DLP, turn on communication compliance, insider risk management and data lifecycle management, address the AI risk and vulnerabilities. This is your AI inventory. Agents, AI model, MCP servers and other AI apps. This is your AI risk. Now this is the AI risk page. Now you have ID, data, cloud, right? Entra, Purview, Defender, Entra for overprivileged access controls, Purview for sensitive leaks, auditing, Defender for attack paths and vulnerabilities. Now, once you know what you have, you come to this AI risk page. Now, Microsoft aggregates security signals across your entire tenant into 3 distinct threat vectors. At the top, we have the identity and access risk. Managed by Microsoft Entra, this flags overprivileged agents and missing conditional access policies. In the middle, you have data security risk. Managed by Microsoft Purview, this instantly detects if an agent is engaging in sensitive data interactions or triggering data loss prevention alerts. And then you have cloud security risk and misconfiguration managed by Microsoft Defender. It actively visualizes lateral movement attack paths where a hacker could breach an unmanaged agent to compromise core enterprise assets. And there is one thing which is the secret weapon here, which is the security copilot integration, right? How would that work? So let's say this is the AI which would risk signal, right? And then to security copilot hub. Now, and it would summarize all shadow agent activity in the last 24 hours, right? And then would provide an intelligent risk summary. Now, starting at a mountain of risk signals can be overwhelming, but the secret weapon of this dashboard is its native Microsoft Security Copilot integration. Instead of manually digging through logs, you can use prompt-based exploration right inside the panel. You can literally click a suggested prompt or type summarize all shadow agent activity in the last 24 hours or show me which agents have access to highly confidential financial data. Right? And after that, we come to the assigning and remediating the recommendations. Okay, go back to the board. In here, you have the recommendations after all the scanning, right? let's say this is the recommendation which says that you need to enable DLP or data loss prevention. Okay. What would be the task associated with it? Assignment. Skip. Now, insights are useful when we take an action. Now, the dashboard would provide a prioritized list of security recommendations. When you click on an action item like enabling DLP, you have the option to handle it in two ways. First, you can direct assign the task right from the dashboard. You pick a user or a group, set a hard due date. Done. And select an automated notification format like Microsoft Teams or email. The dashboard tracks the countdown live. Alternatively, if a recommendation doesn't fit your business model, you can click the ellipses and choose skip this recommendation to keep your dashboard clean, focused, and actionable. Okay, so this was it. I'll log on to I'll connect you to the dashboard. Now, the Microsoft Security Dashboard for AI is a game changer for moving your DevOps environment towards safe, governed AI. And I have a pro tip before you deploy. The security reader role is the absolute minimum requirement needed to view this data. It's the perfect role to assign your CISO or security leadership to give them the full strategic reporting without altering production cloud policies. Go check your Microsoft 365 Admin Center today to activate your dashboard view. If this session helped you map out AI security, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more architectural deep dives like these. Let me know in the comments what AI tool are you most worried about tracking right now. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you still have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.